Sometimes in this life, the last thing you need is to eat rice with stew. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made these puffs with bananas that are already going bad. Not going bad, but they were like super ripe and soft. So we used bananas to make puffs. So I used my bananas. Usually I would make like banana bread, but today I wanted to try something new, and so I wanted to test out this recipe. So it's pretty much like, I mean, I've had people do this before, so you'll see the measurements on the screen. I think East Africans do this where they use the bananas already. But this is a really good alternative in case you need to get rid of the bananas. But as you can see, all the measurements are on the screen, so you don't need me to reiterate. I kind of like put all the instructions on the screen as well. So I blended everything together and then I dumped it out in my bowl. So I already have my bowl prepped and ready there. You make sure that you actually have warm water, because it'll make the whole thing go by quicker. It makes it rise quicker. And so put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Once you have all your mixtures together, add your egg and banana mixture in there. It smelled so good, you guys. Then I added 4 cups of bread flour, which is all-purpose flour, and just mix. I hate lumps and bumps, so if I have to put this thing in the blender, I do that because I'm like, I don't like lumps and bumps. Cover it up, let it sit for an hour. Mine actually overflowed. It was on my countertop. I had to clean it and everything, and so you have to make sure you're watching it. I already fluffed it out, or brought it down a little bit. My pan is only used for frying, so as you can tell, you're like, dude, that pan has been through everything. Okay, so I've had that pan for literally over 10 years, and it's used only for frying. We don't cook in it, we only fry in it. We fry plantains non-stop, but look how gorgeous those look. And so we're already done. And what we did was we went ahead and added powdered sugar. Once you add the flour in it, mind you, you have to add the flour. We added half a cup of flour before frying it, so it's not too runny. Once you add that, it takes away from the sugar just a bit. Sorry, my son was holding the camera. But here we are with the finished work. It tastes better.
Yeah.
Anymore though.
This one doesn't taste hot, so I picked the good one.
Good job. It's so good.
Yeah, it's so good.